To get started, you want to arrange your threads on your board. So I've got 2 sections, and each section has 2 different colours. So I've got the same colour on the outside, and the next colour is the same, and then the colour on the inside is the same. And I've done the same colour scheme on this side as I've done on this side. So to begin the pattern, I'm going to work one side at a time. So I'm going to take this side and I'm going to put it out of the way, and I'm just going to work on this side. So to begin, I want to take the outside colours of this section and put them out of the way. And I'm going to work from this side first, but you can work from this side if you want, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to be working towards the centre of this section, doing a forward knot both times. And then at the other side, I want to do the same thing and do a backward knot, so work towards the centre both times. And once that's done, I want to take these 2 colours in the centre, and I can work a knot to put these together in either direction. So once these have been done, you can take the outside thread, and then you want to take this one over the next thread and do a forward knot, and do forward knots over both towards the centre. And then working from the other side, you want to do backward knots over both, again towards the centre. And once again, when you're in the centre, you can do a knot in whichever direction you like. And once you've done that, you've completed the first part of this section. So then you want to take these and put them out of the way, and then take this side, and you want to do exactly the same thing at this side as you did at that side. So once you've done both sections, you'll have created a little mini chevron at both sides. So for the second part of your pattern, you want to take the thread that's on the inside at this side, and then the corresponding thread that's on the inside at this side, and you just want to knot these 2 together. And as long as they're the same colour like mine are, you can knot them in whichever direction you prefer. And once you've done that, you're going to do the same sequence that you did when you first started. So you're just going to take one section to begin with, and you're going to knot the exact same way as you did last time. And once you finish, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've started with a loop, so I've done 2 braided tie-on ends at this end. But if you started with a flat edge here, you just do 1 braided tie-on end here and 1 here. So now you just want to try on your bracelet. And that is your completed double leaf pattern friendship bracelet.